on Steady Gardener here. Just want to give you guys a quick video on how I'm watering my newly planted spruce trees. You see I got the pump in the water right here. This is my swimming pool cover. So it's obviously this is rainwater that I'm collecting right here. So I'm getting the rainwater from here, and every day I come out and water these trees with it. Do that until they get established. Once they get established, then I'll excuse the dogs barking, everybody. But like I said, I'm gonna help Mother Nature for now, and once she takes over, then my work is done. She'll take it from there. Until then, I'm just gonna keep watering these trees with the rainwater from the swimming pool cover. Yep, that's how I'm doing it. So yeah, that's the. Oh, one more thing. I want to show you other guys. Two other bushes rather I planted. Called burning bush. They turn red in the fall, summer and fall, I guess, in the winter. But here they go right here. Those are gonna be going in these two holes right here. I'm probably gonna get one more. You guys, there's a little doggy right there that's doing some of the barking here. Yeah, then how I'm gonna feed those, because that water, it's not long enough, so got the trusty rain barrel. I'll be feeding those, everything close to this side will be getting fed from buckets, from my container, from my rain barrel. Yep. So one more thing. Going on and on, right? Over here's the garden. As you can see, that plant right there is that's gonna stay there. I'm not even gonna harvest that. But you can see over there, I got some hot peppers that's ready to come off. A couple of yellow peppers over there, and tomatoes. Tomatoes are done. I'm just gonna let that die out. Just chop that down and put it back in the garden. Yep. So I might have one more daily harvest video. I'm not sure. And over here is where we got the lettuce. You see see how this works out. All right. Just wanted to give you guys that quick video. It was actually supposed to be just a video about how I'm watering the new bushes with the rainwater from the swimming pool cover, but I figured I'd get the rest of this in. All right, I want to thank you guys again for letting me get over 100 subscribers. Like I said, I thought my little channel would never see 100 subscribers, but I'm grateful to everybody, for all of you guys. Thanks again. Thanks for watching Steady Gardener.